Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Enigma of Fear game controllers is not working. Guys, first solution is open up the Steam, then just click on the Enigma of Fear game. Then just click on this gear icon and go to your game properties. And on the left hand side, just go to the controllers and just choose the disable Steam input. Once you select it, now launch the game. Then check controllers is working or not. If not, then just go to the properties again. Then just go to the controllers again and choose enable Steam input, then launch the game, then check still not working, then just choose use default setting and just close it. Now the first solution is the connection. Make sure your controller is securely connected for wired controllers. Ensure the USB is properly plugged in for wireless controllers. Ensure they are charged and paired correctly with your PC. And second solution is update drivers of your controllers. So just open up the device manager, then look for the human interface devices or universal serial bus controllers and just right click and just update drivers. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And you can also check these, choose manufacturer software for specific controllers. For Xbox, choose Xbox accessories app to update and configure settings. PlayStation, consider using DS for Windows for DualShock 4 controllers. Now the third solution is configure controller setting in Steam. So just try this solution also. And the next solution is use Steam Big Picture mode. Launch Steam in Big Picture mode can help configure your controller setting and resolve recognition issues more effectively. And the next solution is check for conflicting software. Ensure that no other software like third-party Gamepad emulator is conflicting with your controllers. And sixth solution is change USB ports. Sometimes simply switching USB ports can resolve connection issues. And guys, try all of these and hope one of these fix your problem. And if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.